to a new person. And I have attended 21 days program, and in which I have learned many things related to the career and life. It was so wonderful session. So I highly recommend to you just join this session, which is going to start 4th of October. It would be very helpful for you. Thank you so much, sir, and everyone. Bye bye. Take care.
Hi, I'm Tanmay. It is the great journey of being a part of the season 11 life transformation, and thanks to Thosip sir and also the member of the group, and they always motivate all the things, and this really works, and I enjoy next season also. Thank you so much, sir, for you being part of my life.